Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of the Yonja Hoima activity. Unfortunately, during this shoot, the microphone was off, so not only don't we have footage while we were cleaning up the city, we also lost the little bit of the speeches because we forgot to switch on the microphone. But I'll be happy to tell you what transpired. Of course, we had communication from the branch manager in Hoima of Centenary Bank, and he was thanking us for coming out in such large numbers to carry out an activity that benefits the community. So this way, we were giving back to the community. He also re-echoed what the CEO said in Kampala. They will be happy to support us in all the cities we'll be going to going forward. From our side, the president was very happy to thank the team and the branch and the bank at large for supporting our activities and helping us make it a worthwhile. This makes our work much easier. Thank God for smartphones. At least we have individual pictures of us cleaning the city with the mayor and the city clerk. So once we were done with the main activity that brought us to Hoima, we were now off for activity number 2, touring Hoima city. First stop was the Hoima Stadium. Remember the one we saw on the way in? Yeah, that's exactly where we're going. We wanted to find out how far the city stadium has reached and the progress, so that we are one of the first people to see it before it's officially open. Everybody was very mesmerized with what was being seen before we could get into the stadium. The work done here was just perfect. I'm sure what we were about to see inside was even better.
So the stadium is having like 2 level differences, not like the one of Lambole. So the general spectators are occupying almost 90% of the venue. We are talking about 19,000 seats for the general spectators and almost 1,000 seats for the VIPs and VVIPs. So we take directly from the route where the VIPs are going to access and will be dropped off to the main gate where they are dedicated to access the venue. Then we will show you now a few other areas for you to understand what content and what level of completion we have. So we are talking about 11 months progress. What you are seeing is done.
Oh, wow.
Only 11 months.
Only 11 months.
Fantastic.
So now,
Great work. Yeah.
now we are targeted to finish by October. The entire construction activities, like 2 months from today.
Yeah.
Then November it will be like testing and commissioning of the equipments, the systems, the devices that we already introduced. Then hopefully by first week of December we're gonna integrate. That is our planning within a couple of months actually ahead of us.
Sitting capacity 29,000?
20,000.
20.
Yeah.
Right after the brief introduction, it was now time to take a tour of the stadium.
Hoima can't accommodate. They come with tents.
Wow.
So we start now the EPDM, the running track.
Ah, so it has athletics as well, running track. Ah.
We have finished regularly.
So artificial turf. It's a long grass. It's artificial turf or?
No, it's not artificial, it's hybrid.
hybrid grass.
Artificial, how you can put artificial
Yeah. Looks so clean.
This is beautiful.
just
You know,
brand new.
we can drive here just to come and watch a match. Yeah.
This is the VIP.
No, no. These are the ordinary.
These are VIPs.
Oh, this is VIP.
Ordinaries are plastics.
Ah.
VIP. They are 1,000.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ah. Yes. Okay.
Like a lounge.
This is like a VIP lounge.
Yeah.
Here's the seating arrangement. So we have the main kitchen, then the serving station on the backyard. Then we have all the way from bottom to top seating layout, even the edges of the glass. Then we have two VIP and two VVIP lifts, so that the visitors are able to get this level from the welcoming station. Then these are the leather seats that
Yes.
we are calling them VIP. We have about
And the gentleman in charge kept giving us the details and specifics of the construction and what we should expect when the pitch is completely done.
We just do a ride here when there's a nice match taking place. Yes.
It's a good reason to ride all the
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
The Fighters Association should get one box. One VIP box.
so we have a seating layout and the TV.
Making money to maintain
And also seating arrangement outside.
VIP.
VVIP, not VIP.
12 people. And you see your seats are here.
And where will the whiskey be here?
VVIP. Just 12 of you. You have your room here catered for, and your 12 seats are here.
The freezer is already here for wine.
No, yes. Screen. If you want to go out, you go and watch from out. You want to sit and have your drinks and your...
Yes, my people.
This is the what? Presidential.
So this is where the mayor will
No, the president.
only
Unless one is around and invites
invite you. That's what I meant. Because he comes in your city and he doesn't.
Yes, we are here, the president. This is for us. And you can play matches at night as well, yeah? You have lighting.
Of course, we have the floodlights, you see.
Yeah.
So we have two giant screens, then the LED screens on the edges.
Yeah.
Using this investment.
It's TPO membrane, a kind of UV protection to be able
To manage the heat.
to heat and as well as the rain. 20 years, 30 years. It is. Let's leave here. I don't want to have trouble. Don't come with me. Let's go out. Let's even finalize the tour.
Thank you so much.
The black colors, like any kind. So we have already a strong sound system within the same facility, so that those basic entertainment events can take place here. But when there's a concept of having a concert, of course those professional equipment has to be introduced. Other than that, as I explained, the stadium is designed for FIFA and the CAF compliance, so that at the end of the day we are going to get accreditation from the two entities. They are going to come and do certain verifications so that we will get the certification for that purpose. Other than that's all we are about.
Thank you.
Can we
Thank
take a
you.
picture?
Let's have a memory picture here.
A memory picture with a background, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Stadium in the background.
After we watch,
The sun
After visiting the Hoima football stadium, it was now time for us to get back on the bikes and go to the next tourist destination.